Welcome back to Android Tutorials. Continuing our food application in Android Studio, this is the fourth part of that food application series in which I am going to show you how to make a logging screen using fragments and view pager. This will be the modern login screen using fragments and view pager. So let's begin. First of all, you can see here we have get started button, and in our previous video we had made this get started screen. Now moving to its Java file, here we have that Java file. In here I had find view by id get started text that is located here. When user click on this, then we will move to logging activity and then finish our screen. So now I hope you will understand how we will access this login activity. Now with the help of fragments and view pager, I am going to design my login screen. And also I am going to use the previous icons only. So here you can see that our previous logo, one view with its unique design, and we have here tab layout. First of all, I am going to start designing my activity login. Here I had given a background color that is kind of light white. That color code is BCBABA. So you can copy this code, and then I have one view which is plain and given its id view. Its width will be match parent and its height will be 380 dp, and then we have its background that is login background. So here in drawable, right click over here, and you will find one dialog in which you have to click on new drawable resource file. So here I think it is taking time, so I will show you that file. Here you can see that login background. In here I declare its shape, and its shape will be rectangular, and make it solid white color, and give its color that is 30 dp and 30 dp corner radius, so that it will circular from both the bottom sides. So we will get this kind of effect. This kind of effect we will get in our modern logging screen. And then we have one image view which is small icon you had imported in our previous video, which width will be wrap content and height also wrap content, given its source small icon, and I had aligned them in center of our view. Next I have tab layout. So this tab layout contains only plain tab layout, but to show you I had imported this. Now I am removing this. So you can see our tab layout will look like this, and we have one view pager. So our tab layout will have margin start and stop of 30 dp, because we had given here circular 30 dp margin of a login. Now I had given a 30 dp margin start and end to our tab layout, and then attach view pager down below. In this space we will scroll to fragments using fragment pager adapter. So now continuing our design, we have tab layout and view pager to show in our login activity. So here I declare a tab layout and view pager, and given tab layout is equal to find view by id, that is tab layout, and view pager also. In our modern login screen using fragments and view pager, we need to create a tabs. So tab layout dot add tab, and here we had made new tab with setting its text to login. And same like that, I had added tab layout dot add tab, that is new tab and register. For both there we had make login and register and make them fill gravity so that it will take the full space. Next, we have to make a final fragment adapter. So this fragment adapter contain extend with fragment pager adapter, and this need two methods, that is get item and get count. For our get count, first I had made int tab counts, and in our fragment in our constructor I had added that both tab layout tab counts, and then we will show that in get count method, so it will return a tab count, and in our fragment get item we will switch for our position. If position will be 0 means first login fragment, and for register fragment, and if it will not there, then by default we will return null. And then in our login activity, I had created adapter is equal to new fragment adapter. Now first we need to import these both fragments. So for that you have to move to your package name, and over there right click on package name. Here you will find a new button, and in new you have to move our fragment and blank fragment. In this blank fragment you will give your file name whatever you want. So here I will try to get login, but it will create second file because it is already there. And second is register fragment. When you create these fragments you will found these four files. In here in my fragment login I had make the main root layout to be constraint layout, and its width and height is match parent, and don't forget to give here background hashtag BCBABA. So here we will get that background again. Now in here scroll view we had made one scroll view so that our by chance our linear layout don't cut out, and given a linear layout a margin, and we will use outline material design text view. So in here I had given style of outline box, and its margin is 5 dp, and also don't forget to add text input layout, and then we will have our input text edit text, and in here we can add all the things that we want. Here we have first hint, that is email address, then hint animation should be enabled, and its text color. So then we will have one password button with this toggle. So here we will have style, again outline box, and width, and height will be width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and give its layout margin 5 dp. And if you want this full source code, then you will found in the link given below. Then we have password toggle enabled, that is true. And then for same we have to write all that things, and you can copy the code from the given link. Here we have text view with width will be 314 dp and height is 70 dp, and given its margin bottom to 32 dp. Its background is rectangular background, and make its tint, that is color primary. And then I have font family, that is Nunuto, semi bold, and gravity is center, so that my text view is in center and given its normal changes. Now same like this I had made my fragment register. In here I had given four names. First is name, email address, phone and password, then register. This kind of button I had made. Now moving to our login screen. Here in fragments it will require an empty constructor. So here we have our empty constructor, and when this method will call out, then we will show all these things. Now in our login activity we had get support fragment manager. So that fragment manager came from here, and tab count, that is tab layout dot get tab count. With this method we will set that pager, view pager dot set adapter. Now we are setting the adapter, and view pager dot on page change listener, we will show a tab layout. And in our tab layout we have to also add on tab selected listener. In here we can see I had added view pager dot set current item, that is from our position, tab position. And with this you will complete a complete modern login screen using fragments and view pages. So if you enjoyed this food application fourth part, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and comment me down below if you want a direct Google sign in function in our application. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.